Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Oh, did I miss something? Did I do a blooper? No, I did not. I am dropping the traveling part. It's due to the fact I am ordering certain products, and because of those products, they only allow so much printing. The traveling part has to be dropped off for me to have my whole name on there. So, y'all know me as the Towboat Chef. The traveling part is going to be off, and when I get these products made up, I'll show you when that happens. But the new name is going to stay as Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Now this video, I did some sites along the way. At the end of the video, I'll show you a quick video of what I made in reference to some desserts, a couple desserts. I wasn't able to videotape the whole thing while I was making them due to the fact it was one of my busiest days on the boat. Unfortunately, I have 3 of those days per week, and I don't have time to bring out the camera, set up everything, and show you all the ingredients and so forth. I've got to make, and go. So because I got too much other prep work I've got to get done to get the rest of the meals out. Those days are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. During the rest of the week, yes, that's when I get out most of my videos. But today I'm going to show you some sites along the way, and I'm also then going to show you that video. So let's get that started. All right, here we go. There's 2 eagles again out there. This is a different area, and right above the trees there's 2 of them flying around that don't have the white heads, so most likely they're kids. But they're, matter of fact, no, there's 3 down here on the beach, or not beach, the bank. Looks like 2 dark heads and 1 white. It must be Mama or Papa and the babies. Not sure if you can hear them above this engine. I got it zoomed in as close as I can get, but I want you to see what's flying above. Those are eagles as well. Well, maybe not. They might be buzzards waiting to eat the rest of the kill. But it looks like they're eating fish over there. Dang it, I'm sorry. Let me zoom in a little bit better. I'm trying. I wonder where there's either the Papa or Mama's at. But you see 1 white head and 2 dark heads. They keep the dark heads, from what I understand, for the first 2 years of their life, and then they turn white. Oh, up there in that tree, right there, dang it, it moved. I'll try and keep them both zoomed in so you can see. It moves again. Looks like it's either Mama or Daddy that's keeping an eye on the babies while they eat. But not exactly babies, I'd say they're adolescents. Can you hear them? Above the engine noise? They're talking to each other. Dang it, sorry I keep moving while I'm trying to look and see what I'm doing. Here comes a boat. It's going to scare them away. Yep. Damn it. Yeah, they're turning around. Looks like they're coming back. Yep, they're coming back. Well, one is. And it's flying up to the trees right where the other one's at. They'll come back down. I'll get more footage. They are back. All three of them there. The one on the left, lower, that's one of the babies. One right above is like mom or daddy. And then if you look way, just a little bit more to the right, you'll see another one of the babies. Here it comes, coming over. And if you look to the right, right next to this pylon, you'll see a herring. See him? God, the wildlife is beautiful up here. Oh, I can't wait till I get that GoPro. I'll get it by tomorrow. I can zoom in better, I bet. It's beautiful to watch. Oh my gosh, people. You gotta really see this. I'm gonna slowly pan over. It's starting to look beautiful. Here it comes. Look at this sunrise. Look at the colors. Look at that sky. Love those clouds. It's like the sun rays coming through them. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look how it changes colors as you go right in the background. That's a granary over there. Let me go to the other side. Oh, look at that. That's an eagle. That's perfect timing. I'm hoping the eagle comes back this way. Landed over there somewhere. Nope. Here it comes. Something caught that eagle's eye. Wow. And if you look real close, right about, hold on, right about there, you see a herring. But let me get back to this sunrise. The sun's about to come up completely. The sky's changing beautiful colors. Look at that. Oh my God. It's breathtaking. Love these colors. It changes colors when I'm not facing the sun, but when the sun's coming up, it goes back to all orange. See, the sky is turning more blue. These clouds are beautiful. Let's see if we can find that eagle. I hear it. But I'm right in the middle of a bunch of mosquitoes, so I'm out of here. Bye. Look what I made, people. I didn't have time to show you all the whole process, but I'll tell you what it is. These are Dutch chocolate cupcakes with vanilla peanut butter frosting. It has a Snickers in the middle of the cupcake, and it has a Snicker at the top. Don't they look good? Yes, I took all the sugar out. I took all the calories out. Up, come on, focus in. And I took all the fat out. These are diet cupcakes, okay? At least that's what I'm trying to tell myself. Oh, I wish I could eat them, but I can't. Alright. And I've made some oatmeal raisin cookies. On the weekends, I don't have time to do a lot of taping. Because I got so much prep work to do for the whole weekend. Between Fish Friday, Steak and Burger Day, and Chicken Day. So, but here, I'm just giving you a quick glimpse. Y'all want these recipes? Let me know. And I will post them. Or just email me for them. It's easier and quicker that way you got a printed copy. Oh yeah. Let's try from this view. Oh, it's putting weight on my hips just looking at it. Okay, come on, focus in, damn it. There we go. Yes, I do know how to decorate. Nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, and I hope you didn't gain too much weight watching it. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and click on that bell for notifications for when I post another video. Don't forget to do a thumbs up or thumbs down, and I want to thank you all for supporting this channel. You have an awesome day.